Okay, so if this is your first time working with Weebly, you are going to see a screen that looks like this. And for Animas High School, you're going to want to pick the site option. So go ahead and click there. And then this is where you get to spend a little time, figuring out a theme that you like. You want to think about function. It should be pretty easy to read. It should be pretty easy to navigate. And hopefully it doesn't take too long to load. So you can test some of these out. Some you can change these photos here. Others it's a little bit more complicated. So I think for this one, this example here, I'm going to go ahead and say that this is going to be my Animas High School digital portfolio. And then right here where it says choose your website domain, eventually we are going to pick this one right here. But for today, just getting started until we actually get our usernames for this, we're going to just go ahead and click out of there and not continue. Okay, and then I'm just going to make this a little bit larger. And I'm gonna make it just a little bit smaller so I can kind of see the big screen here. And this is where you're gonna put your name's digital portfolio. So Roxanne's digital portfolio. And right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put my email just to get that taken care of. And then I need to link to an actual email address. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put my roxy.mcknight at animashighschool.com. But you guys are definitely going to want to put your animashighschool.com email address. Go ahead and click save. And so now there it is. We're going to go over editing images later. But basically what I want to go over with you now is the fact that this is your home page and you are going to need to add other pages for the classes that you're in. And so we're going to go ahead and click on pages. You can see that the page we were just on was our home page. I actually am going to delete the about page. Yeah, go ahead and delete it. And the contact page, we're also gonna delete that. That is not our main concern. So our home page, we'll come back to that. And then to add pages, we're gonna go ahead up here. And eventually you could add a blog if you wanted to, but for your standard classes, just a standard page will do. So the first one, we are going to go ahead and put digital arts. And then we're going to add another page. And we're going to call it physics. And then we're going to add another page, humanities. Oops, except we're going to spell that right. Humanities. And then we have Spanish. And then the last class is going to be your math class, but it's really important that you actually add the name of the class you're in. So if you're in Algebra 1, please put that. If you're in Algebra 2, please put that. Or any other classes that you could be in, just put the actual name of that class. All right, and then you can see that we have all of these classes here. Okay, one other thing that we need to do is add a page, and this is going to be an important page for you to post about your SLCs, your POLs, and any other advisory or reflection work that you do during your ninth grade reflections. All right, and then let's go ahead and reorder these. We're going to drag this one to the top just by clicking and dragging, making sure that it's still under our home page. And then to make these a drop-down menu, we're just going to go ahead and drag these over, just like that. Okay, we can go back to building our website and going through and editing our homepage currently. And that is getting started and adding pages in Weebly. I hope that that is a good start for you.